push it to the God, Dana, you have one number one sauce. I know, go and push it to the market, you know, the thing. Mad, you know, babe. Anytime you go to these places and trying to get them business, try to have a taster so they can taste it. In the summertime, it look like it got better for you. Now I will use my golden blend jerk sauce and my chicken. So see how it's dripping, 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 dripping. Look at that. Nice. I don't lie, me I tell neither because you're my friend. Cause I want thing with me, you know, if it not taste good, me I go tell you. Cause I will critique because me no really build my life on lie and fake. Me build my life on truth. So me I tell you, it thing turned up. Look on TikTok, it's me post one video. It thing mad. What a sauce! Whoa! Why you hit it big enough, babe? Like KFC, me wish me can a man. Cause this sauce need to expose. It need to expose. It need exposure. Me nah lie, thing mad. I'm just having my chicken with some white rice, and this is my jerks chicken that I made today from Golden Blend, and that's one of my girlfriend sauce. Oh my god, this sauce is so good. Really tastes nice. And the chicken, wow, it's to die for. It's really delicious. Wow.